right. If you can hear me clearly right now, can you type woohoo? Welcome po sa ating Big Compass at ang training for tonight is actually website and dashboard tour. So I will be speaking mostly English because we also have other nationalities watching us right now. So whether you're watching this, maybe you're watching this live, recorded in the soft launching stage of the company or in the full blown website system of the company, welcome to our Big Compass. So the most important thing tonight is for us to realize that this masterpiece we had been preparing for about 2 years. Yeah, you know, this world class masterpiece that we will be showing you. We had prepared this really the brain, the bonuses, everything for about 2 years. So again, if you are excited, can you type ready, ready, and thank you so much for being here. So I would like to really encourage everyone to, if ever you're gonna use an explorer, you know, I highly recommend you use Google. All right, why? Because Google is our way to actually use some incognito. Incognito is a tab. Look at this. It's private tab, so you won't be able to see this. It's a private tab that doesn't save password, your cookies, etc. So you know, you could use this just in case you will be signing up multiple affiliates. All right, another way to do that also, just to be safe, that you have already logged out from other accounts. But because if you actually logged into an account and then your computer actually saved the cookie, etc., maybe you will be logging into another account, but it will just be connected to the original account. So what I'm saying is that for you to be safe, you know, you have to delete the browsing data all the time. Okay, and then click delete data. All right, so that just to be sure that your current account that you're using is the one that will be appearing and will be connected to the big system. So if you got or get what I meant, can you type one? All right. Again, you could use incognito or you could use delete browsing history just to be sure that you know the big system won't be confused just in case you will be logging into many different accounts. Okay. So now our website is thebigcolab.com. All right. So thebigcolab.com, you type it right now. All right. So as you can see, this is actually just an information of our products. Okay, information page. But I highly recommend if you have a customer, don't give the bigcolab.com. All right, you have a customer, you have your own store. This is not a training to create your own store. By the way, in Big, you will have your own store, meaning it's actually separated from the big e-commerce. Okay, you have your own store as an affiliate. You could use your own logo. Maybe you have a foundation or cooperative. You could use your own logo, but own name apart from Big. But this is not a training for that. This is a training again for website and dashboard tour. Okay, so in this case, when you type thebigcolab.com, all right, you could actually see also information about our founders aside from the information about the products. And of course, yung napakapoging CEO and chairman ninyo. Alam niyo po, talagang dinideclare ko dati uh, na, na lagi akong pogi. Ayan. You know, I actually face the mirror and say, pogi ka, pogi ka. Okay. Kasi, you know, it's positive mindset. So you always say to yourself, can you type it right now there? I am gorgeous. Yan, I am gorgeous. You always declare that. Okay? Because I always declare that I am gorgeous. See, I have you know, married our president who's also gorgeous. So Jasmine Lopez. So, you know, your clients and your prospects will have the opportunity to check all the details about the founders of Big together with our Vice President for Online Marketing, which is Noel Porciuncula. Okay? So we're not gonna click the be a member because we're gonna talk about that later. But upon logging in, okay, you have to ask from the customer service of Big your email address that you used. Just to make sense, it has to be correct all the time. Okay, don't give your sponsor or don't register yourself with the wrong email. Okay, for you to receive email from the company. So you use the email that you use for registering. So and then the password. So in this case, we will be showing you what we call a test website. Okay, so we used, for example, VP Noel. It's a trial website that we're showing you right now. Okay, so in this case, ladies and gentlemen, as you log in, this is very simple and duplicatable system that we have created. Can you type simple if you are still listening right now? So when you click on the left side, the dashboard, okay, so the dashboard will actually show you, ladies and gentlemen, on the right side, of course, the name, which is Noel Porciuncula. Now, on top of everything, it actually gives you a reminder that by the end of the month, you should be getting your access already. So access for other company, it's called subscription. So in our case, our access is only 500 pesos or about $10, but we have product to give you. Okay, there's also a 1,000 pesos access that the detailed compensation plan will be explaining to you the difference. But later on, I'll be sharing it to you also a bit. But what I'm saying is that you have a reminder, okay, that in about 15 days, you should be getting your access. So we are a subscription business for e-commerce club, ladies and gentlemen. So if you don't purchase your access, you will not be getting bonuses, all right, the following days after that. Okay, so we highly recommend that you actually buy your subscription or access on or before the end of a calendar month. Okay, so here you could also click here to manage your store. So we're not gonna really talk about the managing your store, but I already clicked it. So again, for a few people asking me, are there two dashboards? Yes, there are two dashboards, ladies and gentlemen. One is for your store, one is for your affiliate system or community. Can you type Y? Okay, we separated the two because we are signing up people who doesn't care about community points. You know, they don't network, they don't build their community, they just sell online. You know, they just wanna put up a store to sell to people through drop shipping. Okay, so you understand the difference. So we have the store dashboard wherein this is where you will see all your income as a seller of our products. But most of you actually are signing up because you want to be an affiliate and other than selling the products of Big, all right, you want to build your community. Okay, again, if you are hearing me right now, if you will just sell the products of Big, can you type 1? But if you want to do both, meaning you want to sell, all right, but you also want to sign up affiliates and build your community and earn our Matrix community support system, can you type 2? Okay, can you type 2? All right, because I know that most of you are number 2. So let's click my account again. We're going to go back to that. Again, there is part 2, creating your store, everything about the store and online selling. We're going to have another big compass for that. Okay, so for the dashboard, this is just a summary of everything. So in this case, for example, our trial account, sign up 8. Okay, and then if there is approved balance, I'm gonna show it to you later. But here at the dashboard, you will also be seeing whether you're an active already, you are qualified, okay? And then here, you will see your pack. So this is just a summary, okay? But on the left side, we will be showing you all the details. When you click the second one, My Pack, all right, it states and it reflects the pack that you have bought. So our example here is that this sample account signed up with a founder, okay? So a founder, all right, plus the product value is 150K, blah, blah, blah. Now, in this case, for my pack, before going to the access, on the right side, everybody or all affiliates will have member benefits just like gift voucher. Can you type the word voucher? All right, this is a buy one, take one voucher. So if you've registered with 2,500 pesos, all right, you have a 2,500 pesos voucher, buy one, take one. Meaning, if you're gonna buy, for example, worth 5,000 pesos product, okay, it says here you contact Big customer service via our text, via Viber, WhatsApp, and email. When you send it to our customer service, they will receive it and say that you wanna buy using your product voucher. So it happens like this. So if ever you're gonna buy worth 5,000 of turmeric, all right, the turmeric 5,000 pesos, you use your 2,500 voucher, all right, and then you pay 2,500 pesos cash. So it's 50% off. You bought the 5,000 pesos worth of products, but you only bought it for 2,500 because you used your 2,500 voucher of buy one, take one. You got it? Can you type one if you got it? And then it also states your travel discount. So we thank our travel partner, okay, because they're giving away your travel discount. If ever you're gonna be booking some hotels or like airfare. Every time you book with them, okay, through us, you message us, okay, maybe, hello, I'm Maria, blah, 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 blah. I want to avail my 100 pesos travel discount. So if you're a beginner, you have 100 pesos travel discount. So we're going to connect you to our travel partner, okay, that will be giving you 100 pesos every time you book a flight or an accommodation. Okay, for franchise eligibility for for Builder, Blazer, and founders, you are eligible. However, if you're beginner, you're not yet eligible to sell our franchises. So you better upgrade. And talking about upgrade, later I'll be showing you how to upgrade. But in this case, for my pack, it also states a monthly access renewal. So in this case, there are two options. If you're a beginner, there is only one option, which is 500 pesos. Okay? But if you are a builder and blazer, there are two options. It's it's gem access and also gem plus some access, which is 1,000 pesos. Okay? If you want to qualify for double matrix or triple matrix, especially for the founders, there are triple matrix. If they buy 1,000 pesos, triple matrix na. All right? But if you're a builder and blazer, you buy 1,000 pesos, you both qualified for gem and some. Okay? That's why I highly recommend you level up for builder. Now, builder, blazer, or founders. For some people, they ask me, oh, I'm a blazer, but my only budget right now is 500 pesos. Can I do that? Yes. However, you're not gonna qualify for the sum. Okay? Did you understand this? Or do you understand this po? Can you type 2? Can you type 2 if you're understanding me? Okay? So now, lifetime legacy, of course, you have typed it here. You could save it for your beneficiary just in case our good Lord had taken away already for you to go to the next side, the other side. Okay? Next is my qualification. All right, so my qualification It states that you are right side, okay, so ganun din po. On the right side, it's gonna be, for the My Qualification, it's gonna state your matrix status, whether you're active for Global E-Commerce Matrix, active for some, active for FAM. So in this case, this is a new account, so it's automatically active. But this has to renew, this account has to renew before the end of the calendar month. Okay, nandito rin po yung access renewal. For example, you click buy. All right, so this one, you click buy 500 pesos, gem access. All right, oops, not there. Okay, all right, sorry. It went back to my pack. Okay, so the best way to buy your access is through my pack. So you go to my pack and then click, for example, buy 500 pesos access here. So it's showing you it's Sanctimist. Okay, linen spray, the option 1 for this. Okay, eventually, as the company grows, there will be a lot of options for this. Okay, and then if you want to buy 1,000 pesos access, it states this one. What are you getting? All right, and then moving forward, let's go again to My Qualification. So in the My Qualification, there will be on the left side, which is My Qualification. It states here if your account is active. Again, if you haven't, after the calendar month ends, if you did not buy your access, it says here inactive. Okay, if you are inactive for about 3 months, your account will be deleted. All right. So for in the company, the American companies that I had helped, all right, their monthly access is 8,000, 10,000 pesos. But here it's only 500 pesos. You can buy it, use it, sell it. All right. So again, 3 months. 3 months. We're giving you away 3 months. For a company that I have known, if you actually missed one access, you lost your position. You lost your team. Here at Big, you don't lose anything. You don't lose your team even until the end of the 3rd calendar month. So you've got, all you've got to do is to just buy every month, 500 pesos, sell it. Okay, your money gets back to you. So now for the paid rank, ladies and gentlemen, it gives you an idea what rank are you in right now. Okay, for the highest rank achieved, it states to you the highest rank achieved. So for Big, there is no demotion. We are recognizing you for your highest rank achieved. Woohoo! Type nyo po dyan. Woohoo! Right? We're not demoting you. I believe there are companies in the United States and other companies, if you lose points and then you got a lesser rank the following month, they will announce it. Okay, but here we don't announce it. All right, we want to protect you. Okay, so here you will see, ladies and gentlemen, that the system will encourage you to target the next rank. So in this case, it's from Pearl. It's being encouraged to go to Sapphire and the requirement Progress. All right. So I'm not gonna state to you the details, but here there are actually what I'm saying is that there are requirements. All right, that you will be reaching, and it states to you that you have reached those requirements. All right. So if you are still alive right now, you're still excited. Can you type 5? Because after My Qualification, we're gonna show you My Wallet right now. Okay. For the My Wallet, by the way, since this is just a sample account, we're not showing you any commission, but let me explain to you things here. All right. It shows you, by the way, all right, this is your wallet history. It means that when you see this, you will see the total amount that you have received already from Big. So it doesn't go back to zero. So here, the pending earnings, for example, you signed up people. All right, it goes to your pending earning. All right, and then within the day, the system will double check it so that tomorrow it goes to your approved balance. Okay, and the good thing, uh, if you don't want to withdraw your commission, you could actually request for a big store credit. Can you type wow? All right, big store credit, just in case it states here you have 1,000 pesos, you could click big store credit, all right, and states there 1,000, so that it will go to your big store credit. So when you buy a product, you can use your store credit, because for some people they don't want money, they want credit, so points. So when they buy from big, they will be able to deduct these credits from the amount that they are buying. Okay, the second option is wallet withdrawal. So the wallet withdrawal, it states here, is 500 pesos minimum, but actually it's 1,000 pesos. But because there will be 50 pesos processing fee minus your tax. So we're encouraging you to withdraw your commission 1,000 pesos. All right. So the 50 pesos processing fee is for everyone, whether large withdrawal, small withdrawal, it's only 50 pesos. Okay. Withholding tax, 10%. And all you've got to do, ladies and gentlemen, is to click payout banking details, and then put your bank account or GCash, the one that we will be transferring into. So just to remind you, do not put another name. We will not be sending commission to different name. It has to be the same name that you have written or typed for your big account. Okay? So again, it's not appearing here because this account doesn't have a commission, but you will just have to click Big Store Credit, click, and then wallet withdrawal, click, and then your wallet history, your bonuses, it states here. Okay? So next will be your My Bonuses. All right, so My Bonuses, I highly recommend, if you have signed up new people, you always, it doesn't have any bonus here because this is a sample account, but it states here your indirect bonus, your fast track, your indirecting bonus, etc. So all you've got to do is to screenshot every time you see something here. Okay? Why do you screenshot? For you have to have proof. All right, that you earned that day with Big. Okay? But of course, on our system, we have it. So next in line is payout history. So for payout history, again, this doesn't have an account, a history, but every time you withdraw, whether it is store credit or commission via bank transfer, it will be included here. Okay, so next will be, by the way, I wasn't able to click my pack. Let's go back to my pack. It's very important. Let's go to my pack. So my pack, it states your, the my pack, I already explained it to you, but the bottom part, I wasn't able to explain, all right? So if you are a beginner, all right, you can upgrade to builder. So it says here upgrade or buy this pack. Okay. Now, because this is a member who's already a founder, so it means to say that it cannot buy the blazer or the other packs. Okay. But the reason why you have to upgrade, because if you're a beginner, you're losing a lot of bonuses. All right, because you're single matrix, so you've got to go to builder or blazer because it's double matrix. All right, but if you are wanting to become a founder, all right, the founder upgrade is within your first 90 days only. You cannot go to founder, all right, if you're 91st day already in big. Okay, so you've got to hurry up. If it's your first 90 days, go to founder and upgrade. Okay, but for builder and blazer, there is no time limit. Okay, so let's go back on the left side. Let's go to my team. Ito na, ito na, ito na. All right, so my team, it actually states you. This is where you will get your referral URL. Okay, it states also your affiliate ID. You can save this, but whatever ID that is in here, it doesn't say that you're the 40th person. This is actually a random number. Okay, so and then your sponsor, it states there. Now, for referral URL, ladies and gentlemen, this is your landing page. Can you type it right now if you're still listening? Landing page. Landing page. Okay, so I'm gonna copy it, and then again, if you're gonna be signing up somebody, all right, please. All right, if you're gonna be signing up somebody, please log out and then clear your history or close the window. Again, click new incognito. Yeah, new incognito. Yeah. All right, new incognito tab so that the cookies will not be connected to the old cookies. Just to be safe that it is really, really uh, your URL. Okay, so now here it goes directly to the landing page. All right, so I won't be showing it to you right now. Later, we're gonna uh, tackle this, how to sign up. But this is actually the sign up page for the URL. Okay? The second will be the reseller. All right, reseller registration link. So the difference of referral and reseller, the referral URL, you send it for your prospects whom you think will sign up as an affiliate. But if you think that your prospect doesn't have that capital and will just sell products, okay, they could sign up for free. Can you type the word free right now? Okay, they could sign up for free, and then I'm gonna show it to you. How does it look like? So this is the referral. This is the reseller sign up page. Okay, reseller sign up page. Yeah. So in this case, the reseller sign up page. All right. So wait. I'm gonna get it again. Oops, sorry. I'm gonna close it and then copy. Okay. So this is the reseller sign up. So as you can see, it states here that it is sponsored by Noel Porciuncula. So what is the difference again? This is for free sign up. These are the people who will not become an affiliate first, but they will be a reseller. So they will have their own link also. All right. So their own link. So for example, they will be signing up here. They will have their own dashboard also. Okay. But their dashboard doesn't have any matrix, etc. Their dashboard, it will only show also the URL connected to your store. Okay, so whatever that you are selling, okay, their link will be connected to your store. Can you type wow again? Wow. All right, so they will be selling for free for your products, and they will be earning up to 10% retail income. Okay, up to 10% retail income. So, for example, Fatima Tud, Coach Fatima, you're earning about 35% retail, and then a reseller sells turmeric, he gets 10%, so you get 25% more. Okay, the excess. So you sign up more and more and more. Again, for managing your store, we're gonna have a different training for that. Okay. So, but you know what? For other leaders, I'm seeing that they're inviting people and not saying to them that you have to pay 2.5. All right. So they're actually selling and saying to them that I will sign up you for free. You know, for some people, if it's free, they will go to you. Am I right? Can you type one? All right. So again, for you to get your landing page for signing up affiliates and reseller, you go again to your My Team, and then here you will be able to see your gem tree and the enroller tree. All right. So in this case, for the enroller tree, can you type enroller right now? You click enroller. This is the people that you signed up. All right. So in this case, we will be able to show it to you. Like for example, this account signs up Roberto Bactat, and then signs up Liza Bayaca, and then Liza Bayaca signed up many people. See? So many people. Wow. All right. So that's the enroller tree. So meaning to say you haven't signed up anybody, you don't have, you will just see yourself here, your name, but nobody under. But the gem tree, this is the one that we're telling you that there is force matrix or auto spill. Okay, the company, since for some of you, you are pioneers, you know, your coaches that are very, very active in signing up, they will be put under you. Some of the people that they're signing up, they will be put under you. So in this case, I'm gonna show it to you. So it's a different structure, right? It is a 2x15 structure. So in this case, for example, Noel Porciuncola signed up Marilu Martinez. So it was spilled over Roberto Bactat. Does Marilu know Roberto? Yes or no? All right, but the auto spill is what we call in the Philippines bayanihan. Can you type the word bayanihan? Okay, so how does this work? Again, these people under you that had been spilled over, all right, when they buy the access, 500 pesos, you will be earning 10 pesos. Okay, by the time you have grown so much at big, you have 4,000 people under you. All right, combining your enroller tree and your gem tree, 4,000 times 10 pesos, that's 40,000 pesos. Is this a great business? Can you type great? All right. And not just the access, ladies and gentlemen. If they buy, for example, somebody buys 100 coffee, 100 coffee times 2 pesos, all right? All the sponsors above will be getting 200 pesos. You understand? Even the reorder is coming from the gem tree. Can you type there? Only in big. Only in big. Okay? Now, let's go to my membership card. We're almost done, ladies and gentlemen. So let's go to the membership card. So in this case, you will be showing this membership card to our franchise holder of Barliza, for example, right? Or when you go to our Santa Ana main branch, all right, you show this, they could give, they will be giving you discount for this, all right, when you buy pizza. Also with our merchant, salon, restaurants, this is the one that you'll be showing So if they are our partners, they will be giving you discounts. So the good news, ladies and gentlemen, for some of you who trusted the company, the first 123 affiliates that were encoded has this Pioneer. Wow! Wow, can you type Pioneer? So thank you for trusting us because during the pre-launch stage of the company, we still didn't have a website that time, but you trusted us. So that is your prestige status, ladies and gentlemen, because you are a pioneer of the company. All right. So now, moving forward, after the membership card, the good thing about our website is that it has Compass training videos. So, meaning it could link you, all of your affiliates, you encourage them. Oh, you signed up already. So, please go to your dashboard and then watch all the big Compass training videos. So, as of the moment, we have about 8, all right, training videos here. Are there affiliates who already watched these 8? I believe the Eagles fighters already watched. Thank you, Coach Peter, for encouraging your people to watch your the trainings. Yeah, come on. All right. So here we put all the trainings here. Can you type why? Why? Because as a company, we will tell them, oh, you did not watch. That's why you don't have knowledge. All right? Knowledge is power. Type it down right now. Knowledge is power. If you want to grow, the good thing about here is that you're not paying all the time for us to train you. You paid once. And then these 8 videos, if you watched it, oh my gosh, they are complete with everything that you need in the business. Can you type, woohoo, come on. All right, so in this case, it's also when you click my resellers, you will see your resellers, by the way. Okay, so who are your reseller? Yeah. Selected reseller. All right, so, and then you will be able to see your the products that are in the big store that you could add to your store. Yeah. So when you click, for example, add to store, but we're not gonna talk about it here, but it's just an example because there's another training for managing and creating your big store. Okay. So here also for orders, it states your orders here. All right, so you could view, etc. And then the downloads, downloads, it will show you the ebooks. All right, remember you have ebooks connected to your membership. For example, you're a beginner, you have 1 ebook, you will find it here. You're a builder, you have 2 ebooks, you could find it here. By the way, you could sell also ebooks. All right, we have digital products. Our ebooks is like worth 500 pesos only, but there are a lot of ebooks about success, leadership, etc. So you could find it here in the downloads. And also for returns and refunds. Yeah, so just in case you have customers who have requested refunds or returns, and then the addresses, you click addresses, and then you could edit your shipping address, your billing address, and then also your account details. Yeah, so you could change your password, etc. here. So if ever your sponsor gave you your password, your initial password, you could actually change it if you want. Okay, so the vendors, these are the merchants. So which is actually, you're not, what do you call this? It's not your responsibility anymore because it's the responsibility of the company. Okay, so Are you still alive? We're almost done. Can you type 1 if you are still alive and you're still excited? Now let's go back to my team. Yeah. So let's go to my team right now. I'll show you how to sign up somebody. So again, you click referral URL. Okay, and then copied. All right. So what's gonna happen right now? I'm gonna show you that I will be deleting the browsing data, just to be sure. And then you click all time. All right, and then delete data. All right. So you click Chrome again, and then you paste the referral link. Okay, so this is our dashboard. Can you type dashboard? Woohoo! So in your dashboard, it goes straight to your sign up page. All right, so this is the sign up page of Noel Porciuncola, our VP, as our as our testing site. Okay, this is not really his sign up page, but as a testing site. So in this case, so the opening will be the corporate video. Okay, if you have watched the corporate video and you were encouraged by this, it's world class. Can you type world class? Okay, so your prospect will be able to watch 6-minute full English because we're now signing up other nationalities. All right, so can you type world class because our creatives had created a world-class corporate video for all of you. So the big collab here about us, the value, the mission, the vision, the power of e-commerce. So it states here the 12 categories, and then the legalities. You could save, screenshot our SEC, and of course we are registered in Manila City Hall, BIR, and all of our merchant products are FDA approved. Here you will see it's just an encouragement. And then for some people, they have watched the first video, they're not yet encouraged or convinced, so they could click this second video for our full Zoom. Okay. So after watching that, oh my gosh, this is the company, the community that I have been looking for. So what's gonna happen is that they will now be able to choose from 4 packs. All right. So makikita nyo po dito, you can see here that comparison. Can you type the word comparison? So they will now be able to compare. Or this is my budget, 7.5. But oh my gosh, I have to go to 15,000 na lang because I will be getting this one, blah 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 blah. Or no, I'm gonna go to 7.5. No, 2.5. All right, no, 150K. So you understand there is a comparison between these 4 packs, okay? And but just in case they are not yet encouraged to sign up, all right, there are FAQs here. All right, FAQs. All right, so question and answer here, ladies and gentlemen, so they could understand more about signing up as an affiliate. So now they're not yet convinced, so they could watch the third video. All right, so the third video will state to you the 3 big steps. All right, so are you happy that our management had created this landing page for all of you so that you will not explain so much? Can you type 1,000? All right, o kaya damihan niyo yung 0, di ba? So this is how passive income works. While you're sleeping, somebody is signing up. All right. So if you're watching me right now during a soft launching stage of the company, the only way to pay us is via our bank transfer. All right. But if you're watching this in a full-blown system already, you could pay via PayPal, QRPH, Mastercard, Visa, GCash. Okay. but I'm gonna show you right now how to pay via bank transfer. Okay, so just in case you have chosen this pack, all right, let me, for example, a Blazer. I want Blazer because Blazer has unlimited product to display on my store. For beginner, only 5 products. For a builder, only 10. So in this case, the next slide will let you choose an option. So, in this case, there's only one option, but in the full-blown stage of the company, there will be a lot of options for the packs because there will be more products. So the Blazer Pack A, you could see here the poster. Wow. All right, so that they could study it. If they're already signing up, you click add to cart. And then after adding to cart, you click view cart. All right, and now here, you have to click proceed to checkout. Proceed to checkout. Okay, so now you have to fill out the form. Yeah, fill out the form, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, the email address has to be correct. Okay, so that you could receive email from the company. Okay, so because for us not to manipulate the system, whatever you're gonna put the email address here, you cannot change it. Okay, so you have to put the right email address and then create your password. Then billing address, you have to put the zip code. Okay, and then your phone. And then in this case, it's only bank transfer and QR payment. So you click also add a note to your order. Can you type Y? Because for some of you, or most of you, are OFWs. So just in case somebody is receiving a different person here in the Philippines, a different address, so you could put it here. Notes about your order. Oh, please send it to blah, 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 contact number, etc., etc. And then on the right side, if you are watching during a soft launching stage of the company, the shipping fee is not yet included here. All right, that's why it's 15,000 pesos. All right, so what's gonna happen is that when you click the place order, the next slide will show you the the order number. Okay, sige. I'm gonna give you an example. So go world. Go world. So yeah, just in case. So if you don't know the zip code, you still want to edit it, it's important that you put 40. You still don't know the zip code of the one that you're encoding. Oops, sorry. Okay. So let's try clicking place order. Wala palang email address, sorry. So the email address, go big at gmail.com. Oops, sorry. All right. Ano ba yan? Ayaw ng com. All right. So, okay. All right. So, let's now click place order. Again, the shipping fee is not yet included here. So what's going to happen is that when you place order, but if it's already full-blown website, it has shipping order already. Okay. So what's going to happen is that you screenshot this order. Okay. And then it states here that you can email us or Viber us. Okay. Your order number before paying in our bank account. So the current bank account that we're using is displayed here. Okay. So it can be different the next time because we are opening different corporate accounts. Okay. So we are actually creating business bank accounts for some people to be more convenient for them. So we're opening a BDO account, a corporate, hindi personal. So it's corporate. So because we're a legit company. So, but the bottom line is that before sending that 15,000 pesos, you ask the corporate service assistant, all right, how much is your shipping fee? So again, this is for the pre-launch stage only. Okay, but if it is already full blown, the shipping fee will be included in the final amount. If you understand this, can you type yes? All right. So now use the QR code, pay it, and then send it, email, and then all right. The next morning, you will see. Oh my gosh, you already have a commission in your dashboard. Come on, come on, come on. Woohoo! All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, you have already, watched our dashboard and website tour. Now, if you are excited to see your website having at least 100,000 pesos commission, who are those people watching me right now? Can you type me? If you are excited to see, oh, when you open your dashboard, it contains 100,000 pesos. Come on! All right, so this is the beauty of drop shipping, e-commerce business. Ladies and gentlemen, and again, I would like you to thank you for attending our website and the dashboard training here at Big Compass. Don't forget to send this link. If it was already recorded, send this link to your new affiliate so that they can duplicate our system. Again, this is your CEO and chairman. I was not able to introduce myself a while ago during the beginning of the video, but again, this is big CEO and chairman Nolo Lopez saying to all of you, you deserve to live big and step into your big breakthrough here at the Big Go Lab. Woohoo! See you at our next meeting. Come on, come on, come on.